started Misen with a single purpose: to make premium kitchen tools at honest and affordable prices. Because good tools truly help you cook better. We're thrilled to be back on Kickstarter with our most exciting product yet, the Misen Carbon Steel Pan. Unknown to most home cooks, this pan is a staple in restaurant kitchens for good reason. It combines the best features of stainless steel, cast iron, and non-stick cookware into a single pan in 5 ways. A seasoned carbon steel pan is truly non-stick without any chemicals. This makes cooking delicate foods incredibly easy. It's the most versatile pan you'll ever own. With a naturally non-stick surface, incredible heat conduction, and high heat tolerance, there's almost nothing you can't cook in this pan. Searing steak, cooking fish, eggs, veggies, fried chicken, pizza, you name it. Carbon steel has the best features of cast iron, but it's much lighter, which makes it easier to hold and cook with. If you like cast iron, you will love carbon steel. Carbon steel's naturally non-stick surface makes it incredibly easy to clean. Most of the time, a little water and a towel will do the trick. And finally, even with intense daily use, a good carbon steel pan is strong enough to last a lifetime for years of amazing cooking. For the past 18 months, we've obsessed over every detail of this pan. We combine thoughtful design features with high-performance material to make an incredible carbon steel pan. Featuring a 99:1 iron-to-carbon ratio that is both stronger and lighter than cast iron, an ergonomic handle for comfort and control, sidewalls that are the perfect height and curvature, tall enough for frying but short enough for perfectly browned food, and a cooking surface that is 30% larger than other carbon steel pans. We are so excited to get this pan into your kitchen, but to do that, we need your help. Our design and tooling process are finished. We're ready to go straight into production. Your pledge will help make Misen Carbon Steel a reality. So from all of us at Misen, thank you.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.